Hi there, everybody. This is Mary Beth Angelelli here, back on another video today to continue to talk to you and share with you more great and effective ways and systems that you can use to integrate and implement to have success with your TextBot AI Ava system, okay? Now, this is part of the My Capture Page marketing system. Okay, my capture page has been around for a long time, and Leroy does a really good job at creating these pages and these wonderful video presentations inside on the sales page. So I just have to share this with you. Okay, not to mention it is super cost effective and efficient. All right, it's only going to cost you $19.95 per month. Now, when you choose to pick this up, it's part of my capture page, okay? And I will put my link below. You get 3 people in and your system becomes free, okay? So that's the beauty of the system. 3 signups and the monthly fee is waived. So to get started, it's going to cost you $19.95. There's a very small one-time setup. It's like $9.95. So for $30, you can be up and running very, very easily and very quickly. Now, what's nice about this is it's really simple to set up, very easy. If you need any help, just let me know. I will put my links below. You can check this out by going to bestsmartphonefunnel.com. I'll put the link to this capture page, which is my capture page, bestsmartphonefunnel.com, below in the description. And I'll also put my capture page link below too if this is something that you want to go ahead and pick up. It works really, really well. Again, Leroy does a fabulous job at creating these, and they're designed to help you with various programs to have success. Now, there's many other different marketing systems inside for other home-based business opportunities. So you can switch these out anytime that you would like to. I'm using this right now exclusively for TextBot, for the my TextBot sales system. Okay, so really excited to share this with you today. It's only $30. You can have this. It can be set up very, very easily. I certainly can help you, and all you have to do is log in, essentially add your phone number, your TextBot phone number in a little box, okay? And then you also add your direct sales page link and your personal information if you would like to. Save it, and you are all ready to go. Now, I do highly recommend that you pick up a domain name over at GoDaddy, and you can get that for like $10, $11 for 1 year. A .com name somewhere between $10, $11, $12. That's all it's going to cost you. Pick it up for 1 year. I'm using bestsmartphonefunnel.com. Again, the link will be below. So again, this is through the My Capture Page system, which I am part of, and I'll pop that link below. So this is a beautiful page, folks. As you can see, I mean, it's just very, very cool. It's captivating. I don't know about you, but it makes me want to enter my details in to see what's inside, okay? It's just really, really, professionally designed. I love it. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, all right? And all you have to do is enter your name and an email address, okay? And phone number, that's optional. Show me the video. So let me show you this. This is just really beautiful. I love it. Okay, I mean, this is a very high converting capture page system for TextBot. It really is. And you don't need your own autoresponder, although you certainly can integrate various autoresponders, including Aweber, if you have that. And that's totally up to you, but it comes with a built-in autoresponder ready to help you to collect leads, build your list. It has pre-written email follow-ups already built into this, already done for you, and really works very, very well. Like I say, Leroy did a fabulous job at creating this entire marketing system with built-in email follow-ups for the best results. Okay, and this is going to show you how you can start getting paid $100 over and over again and getting others to call a phone number. Now, he did a really good job with this 10-minute presentation, which I strongly encourage you to sit back, relax, and listen to this in its entirety, okay? And you want to get started, I'm ready, give me my number. You would click here. It's nice because you can put your little picture here. Your name will show here. If you want to put your, your personal cell phone number here, you can certainly do that. If you want to get, for example, use a voicemail system like 800link.com, you can certainly do that to capture leads, and you can follow up with those. Now, this is all about list building. Ava is a lead generation tool. She does a really good job. She will help you to build your list, your SMS mobile leads list, and your email list. So it's twofold, and there's multiple benefits to that. The money, folks, is in the list, and the fortune is in the follow-up. Leroy has taken care of everything for you in a very easy, very cost-efficient way, okay? $19.95 a month. You get 3 people in, and the monthly cost is waived. It's only going to cost you $30 to get this because there's a small one-time setup, okay? You don't need your own autoresponder. If you have one, that is totally optional, okay? And then this is, like I say, when you get in here and you log in, you're just going to basically add your information. So that this shows up. You can add a picture if you would like to. You'll plug in your name. You'll plug in your email address. A phone number will be optional, okay, on a short little form. And then you just simply add your AVA number that is assigned to you when you join TextBot, and you copy and paste your sales page link, and that is about it. You save it. Your system is fully set up and ready to go. The only other thing you will want to do, which I highly recommend you do, is to pick up your own .com or .net link domain through, for example, I use GoDaddy. And that's it, folks. And you're going to be up and running in just a matter of a few short minutes. If you need any assistance, let me know, okay? Here's my number. Feel free to call this. Now, this is my AVA number, okay? This is assigned to me. Now, you don't have to have a cell phone to have this number assigned. You just basically become a member of AVA. You buy some minutes. There's 3 packages, I believe. There's a $10 package, a $25 package, and a $50 package in your back office of TextBot AI. And this is what makes everything run in a very simple, automated fashion. I absolutely love this. You can share your phone number, or you can share your website, or you can do both like I do for the best results, okay? So there's the number. This will be replaced with your phone number if you use the system. Here's some wonderful testimonials. If you're ready to join, you just go here, join now. You want to read this about your lead number, meet Ava. It's really wonderful. Here's everything here that you can go ahead and check out. And it's only $100 to get started, okay? 10 steps to making money with your phone number. So you can go ahead, take your time, read through the advantages and benefits of this. Getting started for less than the cost of a movie and dinner, folks. This is very affordable. It's a great way to start a home-based business. It's a great way to have your very own lead generation system, folks. Leads are the lifeblood of every single business out there today in America, all right? So it's very advantageous. It's going to help you to build a list. It's going to follow up for you. It's going to start to help you to generate income. If you want to upgrade to AVA Plus, which is the upgraded system with lots and lots of benefits where you can take AVA and add additional opportunities, and you can also broadcast out using AVA Plus. You'll be able to do your own personal broadcasts with expanded features, expanded functionality, and of course, earn 5 times more on each and every commission. So you can earn $100 over and over again if you upgrade to AVA Plus $500 over and over again. I absolutely love the system, folks. I've been running now with this for a year and I've never looked back. I've had tremendous success with it and I am here to help you to succeed as well. All right. Frequently asked questions, go ahead and read through this. And the beauty of this, folks, is it literally does all the telling and selling and explaining for you so you don't have to. This is true automation at its finest. It really is. And it's very, very simple. So you can go through this, when you have some free time. Again, learn more about this third-party marketing system. And again, Leroy always does a wonderful job, folks. High response, high converting, already pretty much set and forget. You set it up one time and it is ready to go. You do not need your own autoresponder. He did a fantastic job of creating a wonderful, already built-in, done for you, pre-written follow-up email series all ready to go for you. Okay? So everything is set to go, and then what you will do here, the way this works is you'll go up here, there's the number, and then this is where you can click here, and you will hear the presentation by the creator of TextBot, Jeff Long, okay, who does a wonderful job on this very presentation. So Leroy put his own presentation in there. It's absolutely amazing, works well, converts great, and then you can hear Jeff live for right here. So again, totally hands-free, very, very automated. You don't have to speak to anybody and everything is done for you. Set and forget. You set it up one time, very affordable. It's $19.95 a month. You get 3 people, that is waived. Only $30 gets the system for you, okay? Plus $100 to get started with Ava. Now let me share with you, once you get this system, a great place to go to start to build your list and use this system, okay? They usually run specials. Lots of members are using this. They've been around for a long time. I've used Herculist with great results, folks, and it's only $20. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to have, that you're going to make sales, but this is a great place to start. The main thing is once you do this, folks, I don't recommend just buying a $20 package and forgetting about it. This is something that you want to be consistent with. Everything you do is all about building, scaling up, consistency, washing, rinsing, and repeating. So of course you want to have a small budget. This is as affordable as it gets for solo ads and email marketing. This is a smart list service. They've been around for a number of years. These are the submissions that you get. There's actually email copy in the back office of your TextBot that you can use and use with great results. If you want to change it up a little bit, you want to personalize it, that would be a great idea. Okay, you get these submissions 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is by far the Herculist Plus most popular ad package. Needless to say, it's $20 one time. If you're going to do this, you would want to do this at least once a week. So $20 times 4 weeks out of every month, that's going to cost you $80 if you only do this package once a week. You get one TextBot sale at $100, folks, you break even. Now, if you can do one of these twice a week, that would even be better, okay? The more, the better. So that's $40 a week times 4. That would roughly cost you $160 a month. 2 Ava sales or 1 Ava sale and an Ava Plus sale, which is $600, you break even, and that enters you into profit mode. A great option to use to integrate, to get traffic, to build your list with my capture page system, okay? So I've given you a really simple approach to consider. It's going to cost you $30 to get the My Capture page. It's going to cost you $20 to buy one of these marketing packages. That's only $50. And then what you want to do is you want to take a percentage of your profits as you start to earn and reinvest back into your business. I've always traditionally followed the 80-20 rule where I keep 80% of my profits and I'm constantly pumping 20% back into paid marketing. I just did a video and uploaded it on a specific detailed passive approach to using another simple hands-free method for TextBot, which is postcard marketing, something that I'm very passionate about. So be sure and check that out. But I wanted to give people a very affordable, cost-effective way to start to build your list, have something that works for you on automation, follows up for you 24/7. That would be my capture page. And then come in here, buy a traffic package for $20. Do this at least minimum for the best results once a week, because you're going to have the My Capture Page email series that's going to follow up. That's going to give you the best results and the best chance for success. Stay plugged in, stay focused, stay consistent, folks. And what's really good is to take this and combine it with some great organic traffic, which I can help you with. Organic traffic is free. I'm also using social media, Facebook marketing with really good results, and of course, video marketing with really good results, something I've been doing for a long, long time now. It's free. You know, it's something though that takes time to build a following, but this by far is going to get you started a lot faster, get a great marketing system, get some traffic. I'm going to be sharing with you some other paid traffic methods, which are a little bit more expensive, but if you have a budget, folks, it's a great way to scale this business and build it faster, okay? But just to get started on a shoestring budget, folks, My Capture Page and combine it with Hercules. And this is a great starting basis, folks. We all start with limited budgets, and this is just a really great way to go. Very, very reputable. My Capture Page. Leroy does a fabulous job. Hercules has been around for a long, long time. So to come down here, all you have to do, now I say you go into your back office of TextBot, and they already have the email swipes for you. If you join with me, folks, I will give you some great email swipes just to let you know as an extra added incentive. I have my own email follow-up series that I also have created as well. I send out personal broadcasts, so that is something I am happy to share with everybody that partners up with me directly, okay? And here all you have to do is enter your email right here, email address, your name, subject line. The format, plain text is great. Here's where you place the body of the ad. Of course, you want to, if you're advertising a website, which I highly recommend you do, My Capture Page. Again, you'll go to bestsmartphonefunnel.com, test it out. That's my personal link, bestsmartphonefunnel.com, and My Capture Page affiliate link will be below in this video as well. So you plug this in, and then all you do is hit proceed to secure the order form. You'll put your order information in, your credit card information, and your first ad will be submitted and will start to go live within approximately 24 hours. So this happens very, very quickly, and you can read some great client testimonials right here. I've been using Hercules now for a number of years. They are a great way to get extra exposure, extra traffic and leads, building your list, building your business, wash, rinse, and repeat. So hopefully I have provided you with some great information, some great value. I'm here to help you. I want to see you also win and succeed with a great marketing and lead generation tool. TextBot AI is where it's at. We're welcoming so many new members into our Facebook community that are joining with us every single day, all hours of the day and night. Again, this is very, very automated. People are getting signups as they sleep. They're out, they're enjoying their busy lives. They're enjoying wonderful family time, traveling with their families this summer. This is a great place to be, a great business, a great way to build your list, a great lead generation tool, and a great way to earn some very nice extra money with Ava and Ava Plus using My Capture Page and Hercules. It's a great partnership. I know you'll love it. I'm here to help you. If you need any assistance once you join with me in getting your MyCapture page set up and setting up any of these email campaigns. Thank you so much for spending the last 20 minutes or so with me on another TextBot AI marketing training video. Have a wonderful weekend, folks. Stay safe, be blessed, and I'll be back at you very soon. Bye for now.